I will name more than 100 basic words from Serbian language. First I will say the English word and then the translation to Serbian. Some of these words need context to actually, because from the context they slightly different, for example, and all of the English words and translations to Serbian won't be here on the screen but in the description, so you can read both Serbian Cyrillic and Serbian Latin script, how they look like, and the pronunciation you will hear here. So, words: water, voda, voda; money, novac, novac; bathroom, kupatilo, kupatilo. If you want to say restroom, like toilet, it's toalet, toalet. Restaurant, restoran, restoran. Almost the same as in English. Country, država, država. You have ž sound in it. Language, jezik, jezik. Word jezik is both for language and tongue, like okay. Time, vreme, vreme. Animal, životinja, životinja. Food, hrana, hrana. Place, mesto, mesto. Bank, banka, banka. Hotel, hotel. Almost the same as in English. Hotel. Station, stanica, stanica. School, škola, škola. Street, ulica, ulica. Store or a shop, prodavnica, prodavnica. Bus, autobus, or you can say bus, because a lot of people use that instead of the whole word. Train, voz, voz. Airplane, avion, avion. Airport, aerodrom, Aerodrom. Drink, piće. If you mean on drink like martini or rum and so on. And it's piti if you mean on the verb to drink. It's piti. First person PM. I am drinking. That one will be in some other video. It's not even important for this one. Hobby will be just English word hobby. Sport. R is the only difference here. R is not R but R. Sport. Movie, film. It's also same as the English word film. Job, posao. Person, osoba. People, ljudi. Lj in the beginning. Word, reč. Thing, stvar. Thing as an object, stvar. Bad, loš. Good, dobar. Cheap, jeftin. Jeftino for neutral, jeftina for feminine. Expensive, skup. Healthy, zdrav. Zdravo, zdrava. Beautiful, lep. Lepa, lepo. That's you will have video about adjectives in Serbian. It's one of the earlier uploads. Small, malo. Malo. Big, veliko. Dangerous, opasan. Safe, bezbedan. Little, malo or malo, depends from the context. Hungry, gladan. Afraid, uplašen. Sad, tužan. Happy, srećan. srećan. In, u, or unutra, inside. At, na. To, ka, prema. With, sa. Without, bez. During, tokom. Below, ispod. Between, između. Između. From, od, or is if it's about where are you from, as then it's I am from, ja sam iz. By, as made by them or written by someone. That one doesn't really have some translation, so I'll skip it for now. Until, dok. That one comes dok and negation and the next part of the sentence. Up, gore. Down, dole. Over, preko. About, o. Behind, iza. In front of, ispred. On, na. For, za. Second, as in seconds in minute. Sekunda. If it's second as second in the line or something like that, then it's drugi. Minute, minuta. Hour, sat. Day, dan. Week, nedelja. Nedelja also can mean Sunday. There's another word for week and it's sedmica, but that word also means number 7. Month, mesec, that also means moon. Year, godina. Godina. Tomorrow, sutra. Yesterday, juče. Now, sada. Later, kasnije. Earlier, ranije. Always, uvek. Sometimes, nekad or ponekad. Morning, jutro. Afternoon, popodne. Noon, podne. Evening, veče. night, noć. What, šta. Why, zašto. Who, ko. When, kad. Where, gde. Which, koji. How, kako. And, i. Or, ili. Because, jer. If, ako. But, ali. Also, takođe. This, ovo. That, ono. These, ova, ove. Well, you will get explanation in previous or next video, doesn't matter really. Do's, ona, one, oni. Something, nešto. Nothing, ništa. Some, neki. Nobody, niko. Yes, da. No, ne. Here, ovde. There, tamo. Left, levo. Right, desno. Straight, pravo. My, moj. His, njegov. Her, njen. Our, naš. Their, njihov. Your, tvoj.